How to play games in Instagram with emojis. Hello to all the Instagram users out there. So any day have you listened about the feature of the Instagram feature game there? If you have not, do not worry, as the very Instagram has launched a new feature, that is you can play games on your very Instagram. And this is a very nice and the newest feature that you can find in Instagram. And if any day you would like to play games in Instagram with your emojis out there, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Instagram application on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device. You can manually search the Instagram application by scrolling left or right. After you find the very Instagram application, you have to tap on it. After you tap on the very Instagram application, Instagram will be launched on your very mobile device. After that, what you have to do is you have to go to the message like icon on the downside, and then you can tap on any of your friends there, and you can tap on any of the message of your friend whom you would like to play the game with. So you have to go to the option of the emoji there. You can tap on any of the emoji and go to the option of send. Now after you go to the option of send, you have to tap on the emoji for a while, and after you tap on the emoji for a while, what will happen is you have to just tap two of the steps out there and you can see an interface like this. Now this way you can play very game in the Instagram, and this is a very fun way to play the emoji game in Instagram. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.